me and my family.
For the love, our lives, and pride.
For girlfriends who battle in prayer with us.
Chance to be a channel of His blessings.
His unconditional love.
The opportunity to serve His ministry.
He died for me
Christian Brotherhood!
because He loves me.
For wonderful 3 years and more of friendship, faithfulness, strength, comfort, and grace.
For grace.
For love.
For God's faithfulness.
Because of my FCC Dubai family, may forever